Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. In this video, I will show you how you can use the Google Antigravity all of the free models inside OpenClaw. And for that, we have to run two commands. Okay, only that is enough. Just you need to allow Antigravity to use inside OpenClaw. Okay, that's it. And you know that inside Google Antigravity, there are some free models like Claude Opus 4.5 and Claude Sonnet 4.5, and also all of the Gemini 3 models like Pro and Flash that are available, and that models will be available inside OpenClaw. So for free you will be able to use the Claude Opus 4.5 and also Claude Sonnet 4.5 for free. Okay, so these are the some documents, these are the some comments that you need to run. First you have to enable the auth between the anti-gravity and OpenClaw, and then you have to log in. Okay, so make sure you have followed the proper step-by-step process that I am showing you inside this video. Okay, now first we need to install the OpenClaw. So for that, come to this website openclaw.ai. I have given the link in description. Go there, come to this page, and according to your operating system, Windows, Linux, just install this OpenClaw first. This is the number one requirement. Now for that, Mac and Linux, there is a simple command, and for Windows, make sure that you are in the correct terminal or the correct option. Here you see that for the PowerShell and CMD, there is a two different command. Now I always prefer the CMD, so that's why I will copy the CMD command and now just paste it here. Here you see that I have already pasted it, and now it is installing the OpenClaw inside my machine. And make sure you have the Node.js version 22, otherwise it will throw error. Now how you can check that? Just open your CMD and write node hyphen node space hyphen v, and press enter, and here you see version 22. Okay, now here you see that OpenClaw installed successfully and it is starting the setup. Now it is asking me that all of that step-by-step process. I can just continue with this with this setup, but I want to allow this anti-gravity model inside OpenClaw, so that's why I will close it here. Okay, I will select close it here because I will do the setup later, but OpenClaw already got installed in my machine. Okay, now this is the number one step that is done. Now go to this go to this document, or you can visit my description. There I have given this two comment for anti-gravity. Okay, so just copy this first comment. This is the enable the Google Antigravity auth plugin between the OpenClaw and anti-gravity. So just copy this. Okay, copy this from description and open any CMD and paste it here, press enter, and now you will see the magic that anti-gravity will allow it. And here you see that enabled plugin Google Antigravity auth inside inside uh, inside OpenClaw. Okay, now what I will do, that I will do the login. So this is the login, and just copy it because I need to log in inside the anti-gravity, and then I will allow my email configuration to the OpenClaw, so that OpenClaw that understand that yes, this user from the Google, this is this user email ID, and they are using this anti-gravity, and I need to allow all of these models from this user. So for that, this is the second command. Press enter. Okay, press enter. Now let's see what it is doing. And now here you see that my authentication is completed. By the way, you will get one pop-up inside your browser which will show you, or which will ask you to enter your email, and there enter your email and give the permission and do the sign in, and after that you will get this authentication complete. Okay, due to some confidential, I have not shown you the email ID and all of that process, but you will get that. Now we will move to our next step, which is the OpenClaw onboard. Okay, now here you see, remember that last time we actually closed this screen. Okay, this was the setup screen that we closed last time. Now again we will come back to this step. which is the OpenClaw onboarding, and there we will use this model, which is the Google Antigravity Opus, Sonnet and Gemini 3 Pro model. We will get that model access. Now this is the command. Okay, now again let me just remind you the step-by-step process. So the first step, step number one, although I have written it in description, again I am just giving you the reminder. So first step is installing the OpenClaw. Second step is just running these two command. First you have to enable it, and then you have to log in it, means the connection between the Antigravity and OpenClaw. Now the next step is this, running this command OpenClaw onboard. So just copy it from description and open any CMD, okay, and paste it, press enter. Now you will see the magic. Now that screen here, you see that OpenClaw onboarding. This is the screen, right? Now it is asking me for the continue. Now I will go for the yes. Now after that, quick start or manual, yes, I will go for the quick start, and use existing values or update values or reset config handling. Let's say reset because I have already done the setup. Now full reset or workspace, yes, full reset because I am showing you from the scratch. Okay, now here you see that, okay, model auth provider. So now for this model auth provider, we can go for this Google. Okay, if I select Google, yes, now it is asking me Google Antigravity OAuth. Okay, so I will go for this Google Antigravity OAuth, and now again here you see that authentication complete. Okay, now here you see, now this time we got these models: Claude Opus 4.5, Sonnet 4.5, Gemini 3 Plus. Any of the model you can choose. Now I will select this Claude Opus 4.5 thinking model, press enter. Now you can select any channel here, Telegram or Discord or WhatsApp. You can do that according to your need. I am just skipping it for now. Okay, and now here you see configure skill now. No, this time I will not do that. You can do that, and now it is skip for now. Press enter, and now it will open that by default port in my local machine, and that by default port is this 18789. This is the by default port. Let's wait for that. Okay, yes, it is opening, and now this is the screen that you will also get because you have to run another command. Okay, that command also I have given in description. Guys, properly follow the step-by-step process, step-by-step all of that comments I have written in description. Please properly follow that, otherwise you will tell me in comment section that your comments, your steps are not working. Okay, I am showing you with the transparency in front of you all of the steps, what error I am getting and what error you can also get. Okay, so if you get this kind of screen, then you need to run one another command, and that command is this one, OpenClaw gateway port verbose. Okay, so this copy this command, and you can open any other command prompt also if you want, because there you will be able to see the logs. Press enter. Okay, okay, now again go to that screen, and here refresh it, and here you see now you can interact it with it, and now here you see that all of the logs you will find here. See here all of the logs, event health and the session agents note list. Now if I just write hi here, send, you will get the response. Let's see that. Hey, I just came online, look like this is a fresh start, no memories yet, no identity, blah blah blah. So I hope you got the point and got all of that process, that how we can use this mm, anti-gravity Claude Opus 4.5 model inside OpenClaw. And here you see that the log we got, the agent model Google Anti-Gravity Claude Opus 4.5 thinking. Okay, so this is the procedure to use the anti-gravity model inside Opus, sorry, inside Claw, OpenClaw, or you can say CloudBot. And now another thing is that if you want to know that how you can use the Gemini CLI model inside OpenClaw, then you can comment down below. I will do that. Okay. So this was the video detailed explanation, step by step process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.